We've improved the editing of catchment areas. If I select this one, we can see that its delineation type is manual. So if I hover over it, the tool strip gives me icons to add and remove vertices from the area. So if I use add vertex to area, I'm asked to select the segment and then I can locate the vertex. If I use the remove vertex from area icon, I simply click the vertex to remove it. If I reselect the catchment, the collection of geometry is updated. If I've got a catchment area that's been automatically delineated, then if I hover over it, I get this icon to edit vertices. I need to confirm that I want to do this because the delineation type is going to be changed to manual. But if I click yes, I can then drag the vertices, add and remove them as you saw before.